How to install articulated arm installation. Insert the main rod of the light guide arm vertically into the light guiding arm cylinder on the instrument's output port, aligning the 4 screw holes. Tighten the screws to secure it in place. Adjusting the counterweight if needed. Rotate the knob counterclockwise about 3-4 turns, press firmly, and lift the counterweight slightly with the other hand to adjust the angle. To adjust the horizontal position, rotate the knob at the bottom of the counterweight. Align the anti-collision rubber strip with the grooves on the main rod of the light guide arm. Use the provided screws to pass through the holes in the handpiece holder. Align them with the screw holes on the main rod of the articulated arm and tighten with tools. Unscrew the dust cover from the focusing handpiece. Connect it to the light guide arm by rotating the interface until tight. Instrument water filling. Insert the adapter into the overflow port until a click confirms proper connection. Insert the funnel tube into the water inlet until a click confirms proper connection. Pour approximately 4 liters of purified or distilled water into the instrument through the funnel until water overflows from the overflow port. After the water drains, press the metal tab on the connector to remove the adapter and funnel tube. Connect the interlock connector and foot pedal. Replace the fuse. If the fuse is blown, replace it with a new one. First time use. Rotate the emergency button to the on position upward to start the machine. Press the power button on the front panel to turn the instrument on or off. Interface adjustment. The system offers 5 functional modes. Rejuvenation mode. Wavelength. Only 1064 nanometers is selectable. Saving parameters. Press Save to store settings for future treatments. Remove the focusing handpiece and screw on the honeycomb handpiece. Use rejuvenation mode for adjustment. Fixed spot size 10 mm. No manual adjustment needed. Body tattoo mode. Wavelength. Toggle between 532 nanometers and 1064 nanometers as needed. Refer to the energy settings reference table. Birthmark, eyebrow tattoo, and lentigines modes follow the same adjustment method as body tattoo. Push upward, then rotate to select the desired spot size. Demonstration. Draining the instrument. Insert the funnel into the drain port. Connect the adapter to the overflow port. Lift the black lever outward to release water. Once drained, press the lever back. Remove the funnel and adapter. Replacing the filter every 6 months. Press the button beside the filter to eject the old one. Align the new filter with the slot and firmly insert it into the instrument.